Hey everyone, my name is Jenny Seo. I'll be senior at NYU in the fall, and this summer I'll be interning as a media journalist at Schneps Media. Going to college in the city, I've always been very passionate about stories that focus on small businesses, local art, street festivals, and more. And apart from writing, I'm also excited to learn more about the digital realm of storytelling through video production and editing at Schneps as well. So I'm very excited to collaborate with my fellow interns and see what New York has to offer this summer.
My name is Johnny Stella, and I'll be a media journalist with AM New York this summer. I'm a sophomore at Georgetown University, where I've had the chance to cover things like protests, student life, and immigration policy. I've lived in New York my whole life, but I know there's so many people that I haven't ever had the chance to meet. This summer, I'm so excited to work with AM New York journalists, to meet and listen to people from all walks of life, and have a chance at telling their stories.
Hi everyone, my name is Sydney Froelich and I'm a rising senior at Syracuse University studying broadcast and digital journalism. I am so excited to work at Schneps Media as a journalist for AM New York because I get to tell real stories that matter to New Yorkers and be a part of a fast-paced newsroom in the heart of New York City. I've lived in New York City my whole life, and my favorite part about this work is that I get to learn even more about the people that make this city so special. One goal I have is to tell stories from voices that often go unheard, people and communities whose experiences deserve to be seen, shared, and understood.
Hey everyone, Jake Cotter here, rising junior at the University of Maryland. Very excited to be back with Schneps Media as a sports creative journalist intern for the second straight summer. Last summer I had a great experience, made a lot of connections, told a wide range of stories in the sports realm, which is something I feel is especially important. Whether it was features, profiles, I went to local games, local sporting events, things like Fanatics Fest. I had a great experience, and this summer, something I'm especially looking forward to is telling more stories through on-camera work. I feel like we all see it nowadays with social media, how important it is to establish that on-camera presence. So that's something I really want to do this summer. And overall, yeah, I'm really excited to be back with Schneps Media for a second go around here this summer.
Hi, my name is Manuela. I'm a rising junior at Barnard studying political science and economics, and this summer I will be interning as a media journalist for AM New York. I'm excited to dive deeper into the city and tell local stories to spotlight different communities. I'm especially passionate about political dynamics and learning from people's lived experiences. Through this internship, I hope to strengthen my reporting across a range of topics from restaurant profiles to protests, and experiment with different formats like videos, photo essays, and reels.
Hi, I'm Ryan Neeskins. I'm a rising senior at Ithaca College where I study sports media. This summer, I will be interning at Schneps as a creative sports journalist. I live and breathe sports. It's all I like to talk about, all I like to write about. So I can't wait to just get to the city, meet some amazing people, share some stories that need to be told, and overall just become a better writer and listener.
Hi, my name is Shay Vance. I'm a rising senior at Barnard College majoring in American Studies, and I'll be working this summer as a journalism intern for AM New York with the Schneps Media Summer Internship Program. In this internship, I'm excited to get out on the ground reporting in New York City and work with the other interns in this class to hone our multimedia journalism skills. I'm passionate about telling stories that matter to my community, and at AM New York, I'm excited to learn more about the craft and industry of journalism.
Hi, my name is Matthew Jung, and I am a social media intern for Schneps. I currently attend Boston University, where I study advertising. I think I'm most excited about working with a team and collaborating on creating pieces of content that are engaging to an audience. I think my favorite part of the work is just hearing stories about people and getting to know them. Although it seems almost mundane in a way, I just find it extremely fascinating how unique people's stories can be. Overall, I think I have one major goal, and that's to create high quality content that I am proud of. I think I want to create the type of content where I can show people with a smile on my face like, hey, look, I made this, and for them to enjoy consuming it as much as I did creating it. Overall, I am looking forward to working with the rest of the Schneps interns as well as the leadership team. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Megan Jansen and I'm a current junior at Syracuse University, and I'm excited to say that I'm working at Schneps Media this summer as a social media assistant intern. Throughout this internship program, I think I'm most passionate and very excited to work alongside small and local businesses around Long Island and the New York City area in order to support them through content engagement. I'd say I'm really passionate about giving businesses a voice and helping them connect with an audience in a real and meaningful way. My biggest goal throughout this internship program is to build a connection towards a younger audience, but to also shine the spotlight on businesses that don't always get it.
Hi, my name is Matthew Page. I'm from Smithtown, Long Island, New York, and I'm a graduate journalism student at Hofstra University. I'll be working with Schneps Media this summer as a sports creative journalist. One of the things that excites me the most about this internship is not only to be able to tell stories about sports, which is something I'm very passionate about, but also to tell those stories in more unique ways and tell more unique stories. And there are also the stories that happen in the stands. You have the stories that happen behind the scenes as well. So this opportunity really for me is about not just telling unique stories, but telling them in unique ways, whether it's through digital or it's in print.
I'm Sienna Conahan. I'm a junior at Temple. I'm super excited to get to meet all the other interns and start working with everyone. I'm really looking forward to being able to go to the Liberty Games, trying to find some cool angles for Liberty stories. This summer I just really want to expand what I can do, especially with social media. I've never really done any social media stuff, so I'm just super excited to see what I can do here.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a junior at Loyola Marymount University in Los Angeles, California, and I'm going to be a video production assistant this summer. Some of my favorite things about video production is definitely the technical aspects of it. So I really like shooting and editing, and I can't wait to put those skills to use. I'm also really excited to work with a video production team this summer and to learn more about making videos for social media and publications.
Hi, my name is Kim Cahoon, and I'm a rising senior at NYU studying film and television and music. This summer, I'm excited to grow the Schneps Media podcasting department and getting to explore the city further by connecting with local stories. My favorite part of this work is getting to collaborate with a team of other interns to bring creative ideas to the company. I'm very passionate about personal stories and highlighting the individuality of people here in the city. Through this internship, I hope to learn more about interviewing and pitching and also grow my skills in social media marketing. I'm super excited to get involved with Schneps Media, and I'm looking forward to working with everyone.
My name is Miles Bolton, and I'm a graduate student at NYU. I'm so excited to be returning to Schneps Media as a sports creative journalist for the summer 2025 semester. This spring, we built up the AM New York Sports social media presence with new Instagram templates and a bigger focus on video content. I mainly cover hockey, baseball, and soccer, and write features on local creators. I've also branched out to niche sports like boxing and sailing. My favorite part of the internship so far has been working with my fellow interns to cover New York sports and events like Fanatics Fest, and I can't wait to continue.
Hi, I'm Sophia DiGiovanni, and I'm a rising senior at NYU studying film and television, and I'm joining Schneps Media this summer as a video production assistant. I'm an aspiring editor, and I'm super excited to use my skills to help showcase all the wonderful and diverse parts of New York in the summer. The culture, the sports, the arts, the nature. There's just so many wonderful things that I can't wait to dive in and explore, and I can't wait to join the team.
I'm Kamya, and I'm a senior at Parsons School of Design. I'm excited to be joining Schneps Media this summer as a digital designer and a branding specialist intern. What excites me the most is the opportunity to work on real branding and visual communication projects that reach a wide audience. I love creating clear, intentional visuals that tell a strong story and align with the brand's identity. I'm passionate about thoughtful design that connects with people, and I'm hopeful that this internship will help me grow creatively while gaining hands-on experience in the media and publishing space. One of my key goals is to learn from all the mentors here, whether it's about brand strategy, design strategy, or collaboration, or even how to bring ideas to life in a fast-paced, real-world environment. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's Jonathan Mack, and I'm a rising senior studying journalism and psychology at NYU. I'm excited to get back working as a sports creative journalist intern for AM New York this summer. I worked in the same role in the fall of 2024 and helped the sports desk cover some incredible events such as both MLS New York teams' playoff runs last season as well as EatsCon for the paper. I'm excited to help AM New York with its coverage with the first Club World Cup on American soil and help build excitement towards next year's World Cup.
Hello, my name is Sophie Kato, and I'm a graduate student at NYU. I'm a Brooklyn-based video and media journalist, and I'm really excited to be able to share as many local stories as I can. I'm really passionate about storytelling, and specifically with people and their stories, so I'm really looking forward to sharing as many human-focused stories as I possibly can.
Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Rivero. I am a senior at City Tech College, and I am very looking forward to working with Schneps Media as a social media assistant. To working with Schneps Media, I am very excited to learn more about the social media aspects of. Some of my favorite pieces of work have always been within the illustration, comic books, graphic design, typography area. Hopeful to learn more about the social media aspects of certain posts, certain hashtags, and how certain algorithms work.
Hi, my name is Daniel, and I am currently a senior at New York University studying film and TV. I am super excited to be a part of Schneps Media as their creative and multimedia intern. I'm looking forward to connecting with everyone on the team, and I'm most excited to develop and share stories around New York City.
Hello everybody, my name is Casey Moschella. I am a rising senior at Syracuse University studying magazine journalism and American history, and I am so incredibly excited to be a multimedia creative intern at Schneps this summer. I am specifically going to be working with Brooklyn Paper, covering everything arts and culture, and hopefully writing for other sections as well. And yeah, my past coverage ranges from Narcan access in central New York to local musicians to restaurant reviews. My love for journalism stems from my love for people and sharing their stories. And at Brooklyn Paper this summer, I want to uplift local communities and share information that will benefit them. And I believe Brooklyn Paper already does a great job of doing that. And yes, I'm so excited to be working with Schneps this summer.
Hi everyone, I'm Selena and I'm super excited to be back as a returning digital design intern for summer 2025. Last semester, I had the opportunity to work on a new AM New York editorial series called Pets in the City. It was one of my favorite experiences. I've also had the opportunity to design for live events for Dance Taste. It was amazing seeing my work come to life from digital to print. This time I am focusing more with events. I'm really looking forward to see how design can impact the full experience.